All right, guys, this is going to be, I guess, day one of the Clickbank case study that I'm doing right now. I'm going to go over everything that I've done today. I don't know how often I will actually update this. I'm hoping maybe once a week, possibly even more. I'm not 100% sure. But let's go ahead and get in. I'm going to show you everything that I've done today. All right, so I picked my niche and I did go with weight loss. I really want to do weight loss because I've never done it before and I want to get into it. I want to see what it's about. I want to see if I can stake my claim and make my money. So I did a very rookie mistake and I should have known better, but I picked a product. I was all jazzed about it. I started doing a ton of work and I'm not technically allowed to promote this product yet. So this was the product right here, Stop Fat Storage. I liked it because it had a $65 price point, and it had an okay gravity, but it wasn't anything crazy. It wasn't what top promoters were promoting, so I knew that it wasn't going to have a ton of YouTube stuff. So it wasn't going to be flooded on YouTube. So I went with this. But when I clicked promote like an idiot, vendors are starting to do this more and more now, especially if they get flooded with a bunch of non-performing um, people that want to promote. I can't promote it yet. So I emailed the guy. I'm waiting for a return email. Whether he'll let me promote this or not, I don't know. So like any mistake, you just got to move on. The second one that I picked, I think, was this fat belly fix. So second choice, but it had an above average gravity score with a really good average sale. I definitely made sure that I could promote it first before I ran off to the races. What I like about this program, it's got a pretty decent sales page. It's very similar to the one I already used, right? So I can still use the original content for that. For this, do a little tweak, right? So this program fits very well with a previous program, which means if the guy gets back to me and says that I can promote the other affiliate program, then I have multiple channels, which that's really, really good. That's what you want. I want to be able to have at least 5 different items that I can promote from Clickbank. So that way I'm not just putting everything into one basket. I'm able to have multiple different affiliate options going, right? So I'm actually documenting this whole journey right here on Black Hat. It's an internet forum that I attend. And if you want to check out the day-to-day journeys, I've been commenting in here every time that I make any kind of move or whatever, right? So I've already got the YouTube channel. I'm not going to disclose the YouTube channel. I've already built it out. I've already got one video up there. I will show you part of the video. I guess you can be really, really snarky if you know what you're doing and reverse engineer, find the channel. If you do that, good for you. Like I said, I'm just trying to prove that you can make money from this. This isn't something that I'm looking to put all my effort into to make a super awesome. This is for you guys. So if you happen to find the channel, more power to you. But as of right now, I don't want to release it just yet. But I will show you the simple landing page I made in Builderall. Very, very simple. This is what I'm going to actually promote, so I can collect the email address, and then I'm going to use, I think I got out of the affiliate, but they give you email swipes for Fat Belly Fix here, and I'm going to be using the email swipes. I'm just going to load them all up into an autoresponder, and that way, hopefully I can get some of that low-hanging fruit, people that were on the fence. I can, email them, and maybe I can generate a couple more sales from it. But this is the Clickbank vendor that does Flat Belly Fix, and I'm basically just gonna swipe their email swipes, make very few adjustments to them. I really don't want to spend a lot of time on this. I really hate email marketing. I know it's one of the best ways to actually do it, but I really just hate doing autoresponders. But I'm just gonna basically take all of these email swipes, and they actually put it in a Google Docs, which is really weird to me, but it is what it is. But they give you a good like 10 or 12 email swipes. Load those bad boys up in here. So what's going to happen here is somebody's going to put their email and their first name, and then I'm not going to give away anything. I'm just going to be like take you to the video. There are some adjustments that I have to make. And then when they click this, it's going to take them to the Fat Belly Fix, this page right here. It's going to take them to this, the sales page, and hopefully they buy, right? If they don't buy, they're on my email list. I'll continue to harass them for the next, every day for 12 days or every other day for 24, something along that lines. But again, it's a very simple landing page, nothing crazy. A lot of people were asking in the forum what I was going to do, and I thought about doing it multiple different ways. I would never just direct link from Clickbank, put that affiliate link right on to YouTube. What I would probably do is set up something like this, maybe on my own personal domain, and then route it over to the actual sales letter. But I would never just put the Clickbank, because that's a good way to just get your account banned. Technically Clickbank could ban you for that as well. They don't really like you doing that either, but you can get your YouTube account shut down. I really just don't want to do that. So this is obviously Content Samurai. This is what I have been using. Guys, I can't tell you how awesome this is. I'm on the free trial right now, but I'm telling you, I'm definitely going to get this. This is a game changer in the industry. Literally created an entire video for me. I wrote out the script. I gave it some parameters. I had to do some tweaking and adjusting, but man, they have a lot of amazing video clips and a lot of images that you can use that really, really, really make some really high quality videos. So, all right. So probably what you're all waiting for is to see what the actual video here looks like. So let me move myself here. Sorry, you're gonna have to put up with.
Are you a 35-something-year-old struggling to lose belly fat? Don't look now. I'm going to show you how you can lose 4 to 7 inches in 7 days with one 30-second ritual.
I hope you guys can hear that.
Naturopathic doctors unlocked a secret fat storage enzyme that causes stubborn belly fat. Do you want to look and feel like you did in your 20s?
All right, so you basically get the gist. It is phenomenal. It's literally top-notch software. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm probably going to have somebody actually read that script instead of having the computer. I'm just testing some stuff out. The computer-generated voice isn't really that bad. I might actually go with it for some videos, but I think I'm just going to have somebody read it. I don't necessarily have a problem reading some of them myself, but this channel is more geared towards female weight loss, so I would definitely need a female to read it. So I actually have joined many, many courses over the years, and I have this 37-step. It was basically geared for webinars, but you can kind of modify it for what we're doing here. And it's a dirty, dirty little trick, man. It's dirty. It tells you exactly how to get somebody from cold, like just interested and not knowing you, to rabid buyer. Like your success rate of getting somebody to buy increases if you follow this formula. I mean, it's 37 steps. Like I said, you have to kind of gear it towards a YouTube video. There's just small tweaks that you have to make. Like you can't have a Q&A afterwards and stuff like that. But this is the real deal. This is my secret sauce right here. I'll probably actually end up releasing it somewhere. Probably not 100% sure where I'm going to put it. If you guys want a video on that, I might actually make a video on the 37-step process. And let me tell you, man, it is phenomenal. If you take the time, it actually made my video like 4.5 minutes long, and that's what you're looking for. And it's like, it's not overly salesy. It's whoo, I can't say enough of that. Between Content Samurai and this 37-step sales process, those two are a nasty combo, and I can't wait to just get the ball rolling and have just money coming in, so I can show you guys how easy that it is to actually make money online. Guys, if you liked it, Smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. See ya in the next video.